moment. You're gonna finish her cushion, so. You're so pretty. Here, I'll get super gushy for you, okay? Yummy. Alright. Who would like to watch the weigh-in? Go to the other camera. There we go. Well, that's not right. Who's ready for weigh-in? Are you Maia? Maia is 302. You can explore. Arzu is 356. And you can explore too. Oh, that's cute. Hi, baby. Woody Jr. 450, 460. I know. Here you go. Oh, little Alora. And Alora, you're caught on my ring. 396. You're a big girl. Look, you get to explore. If anybody goes on an extended adventure, you'll see them on the other cam. For now, you guys can watch them here. Hi! Hi, Munchkin! Hello. Would you like your blankie? Here. Hello! Where's the kittens? Peekaboo! I see you, Arzu. I see you, Maia. Here. And you. Right there. Good gains all around. Maybe I was premature in ordering that KMR. Hi, babies. Would you like to see some new toys? Come on. ball. Crinkle ball. Ooh. And here's a sparkle ball. See that? You see that? What do you think? What is it, babies? I have to send my classmate a copy of my study guide. So she can answer it. So I'm gonna let the kittens stroll until I'm done with that. I know. Where are you going? Don't leave us. Don't leave us. No, don't go. We'll miss you. Come back, Maia. 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 So I'm not going to put them in their I'm not going to be putting them in the big pen tonight because it needs to dry out and I need to sanitize it, which I can do, just not right now. Aya, come here, baby. No, you have to come back. Over here. Come on. Come here. Come here, princess. No, 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 no. You're going the wrong way. You are going the wrong way. You are. That's the wrong way. Come back. Come back. We're over here. Darling. We're over here. No, over here. No, this way. This way. There's your mommy. What are you doing? Are you looking for me? Me? What a me? Me, the human? I think you want a milk bar. See? You're pretty cute, Missy. You can go eat Mommy's food. This way. Alright, babies. I'm going to study and do kitten time at the same time, okay? You guys explore, and I will do my homework. My self-assigned homework. Hi, little munchkin. You're going the wrong way. How you doing, Larry? Why are you sore? Hmm? I needed to send a group message to my people. Mm. That's never any fun. Well, that's not true. It's very tedious. It can be soothing, but it inevitably ends up painful. Oh, you're so cute. Oh. Of course. They wanted all the cats to come to your yard. You can see Alora exploring on the next other cam, by the way. Now, it's time for a session of Did You Know About Exotic Animals? Did you know that hamster biology includes large cheek pouches, movable mandibular symphysis, and distinct, there's a type of gland on the male flank glands. Did I get it correct? Yes, I did. Female hamsters are larger than males. Hamsters are nocturnal, and hamsters and bears both hibernate. Alright, hamsters are native to the Middle East and Asia. How many catnip plants were they? Because they are territorial and aggressive. Hamsters don't accept new hamsters very well. For housing, hamsters need solid bottom cages, which are deeply bedded with wood shavings or ground corn cob. The appropriate diet for hamsters includes commercial rodent pellets and occasional fruit and vegetables. You guys are going to learn about hamsters and rabbits and ferrets and reptiles tonight. Then I get to go to bed. 4 common medical problems in hamsters are, I want to say diarrhea? Yes. Diarrhea in the form of wet tail, which is called something ileitis. Ileitis. I have to look it up. Proliferative ileitis. And Tizer's disease. Oh, just say it's not too bad. And then degenerative kidney and liver? Yeah, renal and hepatic disease. Hi. Are you a cute kitten? Oh. Diarrhea is caused by predominant use of gram-positive? Yep, gram-positive antibiotics. Proliferative ileitis, also known as wet tail, is an intestinal bacterial infection caused by, I don't know the name of this bacteria. Lawsonia intracellularis. Lawsonia intracellularis. It commonly affects hamsters between 3 and 8, 3 and 10 weeks. 4 dozen is a lot to go to the compost pile. Maybe you'll have some happy raccoons or neighborhood cats. Go snuggle mama. Also found in gerbils. What's another name for Tizers? Yeah. Tizer's disease is another bacterial intestinal infection caused by something piliformes. Oh, Clostridium. Clostridium is bad. Clostridium piliformes. Clostridium piliformes, Lawsonia intracellularis. Those poor little rodents. Very bad. No, I'm not sharing my nachos with you, babe. Rabbit dental formula is 2 of each of these. Incisors 2. Is that 2, 1? Yeah. No. That's not right. They have 4 incisors on top. So it should be 2, 1. I need to fix it. Yep. That is right. I want to say they don't have any canines, so canines are 0, 0. Premolars, is it 3, 2? 3, 2. And molars are 3, 3. Did you know that the percentage of the body surface area? Did you know that the body surface area of rabbits? No. How do I phrase this? Rabbits' ears cover, I want to say 12% of the body surface area of the animal, of the rabbit. Oh, that's nice that the basil decided to seed itself. I don't know what Kentucky kernel is. Is that a corn? My dear, you're going to wear yourself out if you run around the room all that time. What is the function and anatomy of rabbit ears? They are highly vascular, gather sound, and aid the body in temperature regulation. What is significant about the digestive system of rabbits? They are herbivores. Hi. Have a large cecum and produce hard and soft fecal pellets. The soft pellets are called cecotropes. Yep, cecotropes or night feces. Yeah. Here she is. Here's your princess, your mini-me. Mama. Good girl. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, mint is, in general, likes to spread here. We have some chocolate mint inside. Mike had to rescue it because it got drowned by the rain. Which I seem to understand you guys also have rain drowning. Alright. The male rabbit reproductive system shows a hairless scrotum, which is located cranial to the boy bits. Well, those other boy bits. You're gonna come over here on camera where everybody can see your cute little fluffy body. Mama, your booty's in the way. Why are you growling at the human? You don't need to growl at the human. Oh, maybe Kitten wants to eat. The female rabbit reproductive system has no... Oh. Is it supposed to be uterine? Yeah, no uterine body. It has 2 horns. Each horn has its own cervix. They are induced ovulators like cats. They don't go into heat until they're buck-handled. Are you guys just gonna hang out and slim my footsies? Is that what your plan is? No, not over there. Right there. Rabbits excrete large amounts of calcium carbonate, maybe? Calcium. In their urine in the form of calcium carbonate crystals. No, please don't. Tomorrow I'm going to have to vacuum in here because they keep finding the clumping litter and licking it. This gives urine a thick creamy white. Creamy white color. Can also be yellow or red. What shape are the crystals on a microscope? Dumbbell shape. Rabbits are strongly aggressive, territorial. Where are you going? They use anal chin and inguinal glands to mark their territory. Male rabbits can be aggressive and display urine marking behavior if not neutered. Rabbits prefer grass hay as bedding material. Hi, little kitten. Don't go there. What's that? What was it? In addition to the normal macronutrients, rabbits require insoluble fiber in their diet to prevent a lot of things. Diarrhea, obesity, and hairball formation. No, that's not for you. You have to come over here. Recommended pet rabbit diet includes quarter cup rabbit pellets per 5 pounds of body weight, grass hay ad libitum. Hi. Blank amount of small amount of fresh vegetables. Yep. Small amount of fresh vegetables. Did you want to snuggle? Examples of these include collard greens, broccoli, alfalfa sprouts, bok choy, cauliflower, lettuce, and parsley, cabbage, and kale. There we go. There we go. Did you want to sit in my lap? You smell things? Oh, here we go. Oh, what? Rabbits are part of the, oh gosh, what's that family called? I think it starts with an L. Lagathor? Leporidae. Really? Leporidae family and the something caniculi. Oryctolagus caniculus. Oryctolagus caniculus. Genus and species. You cannot do that, baby. Here you go. There. Average gestation of a rabbit is 31 days. Average litter size is 7 to 8. Kits are weaned between 5 and 8 weeks. Where are you going? No. You have to stay over here where people can see you. Where I can see you. Look, Mommy's grooming herself. Rabbits were domesticated in the 16th century in European monasteries. The deer are eating the dogwood this year, and they seem to be leaving the daylilies alone. Huh. The daylilies, I think you showed me a picture of them. They're really similar color to the ones I have, or these are the yellow ones. Dogwoods are really pretty. Are yours small? Darling, you have to be over here. Look, there's Mommy. She's telling you it's nap time. There are 28 different breeds in the US. The New Zealand white breed is the most popular. To avoid a broken back, you must support the hindquarters when handling rabbits. The hair lip is the upper lip is divided by a groove. Was the arrangement of incisors in rabbit, 4 upper incisors, 2 lower. Let's see, blood collection sites in rabbits. Central ear vein? Oh, central ear artery. Lateral saphenous vein. Jugular vein. Cephalic vein. Marginal ear vein. Or a toenail clip. Toenail clip. Oh, those are pretty small. Okay. I like the flame ones. Mostly I like flowers that are red and orange. I have a peace rose up front. I just noticed it's bud today. It usually produces a couple buds a year, or per season. And I saw at least 3. I'm going to have to cut it back though, it's getting too tall. I think it's close to 6 feet. I'm really bad at pruning roses. Or yard work in general. Got some tall deer. Arzu, you can come snuggle. The muscle group cranial to the femur and in the lumbar muscles on either side of the vertebral column cranial to the pelvis is called the epaxial muscles. And that is where you give an intramuscular injection. Well, hello there, handsome. You want to walk on my homework? Well, aren't you a cutie? Hi, darling. Squish your butter. 6 common medical problems in rabbits. Diarrhea. Gastric stasis syndrome. pasturalosis, or snuffles. Mite infestation by something P something and C parasitophorax. No. Heat stroke. What is that other one? Diarrhea, gastric stasis syndrome. Hi. Alright, I have to look. Malocclusion. That's the other one. Malocclusion often involves the incisor teeth. Incisor teeth is caused by genetics or trauma, right? Yes. Where do you think you're going, Arzu? You're not allowed to go and eat the little bits of litter. You're really cute. Hi. Guess what? We did our last dose of eye drops this morning. I don't have to give you any tonight. I know, it's crazy, right? Oh, wow. That's a dramatic difference. Right, since they're not walking over there, I'm gonna put this up and tilt it down, then you can see when I'm holding kittens. Can you tell me how the angle is on cam 2? I can't reach the keyboard. Hello there, handsome. How are you? Hold on. You're not allowed to eat that. No kitty litter for you. You're really cute. You're tired. You're just trying to get back in the nest so you can take your nap. Yeah, you look cute. Should we try an ear massage? Here. Oh. What? What is it? Oh, yeah? Okay. Hi. How are you? Sleepy. Mama makes a good nest. You're in a good sleeping buddy. There. Hopefully you could see him over my shoulder. Alright. Clinical signs of malocclusion include trauma to soft tissues, anorexia, blood sugar things, I have to look. Dysphagia and salivation. Oh, that makes sense. Dysphagia. Difficulty eating. Gastric stasis syndrome is a decrease in GI motility leading to, I want to say distension. Is that right? Distension of stomach with ingesta. GSS is associated with or caused by inadequate fiber, dietary fiber, is that right? Yes. Dietary fiber, usually in the form of a high carb, low fiber diet, or by stress, such as changes in housing, underlying diseases, or trauma. Bad. Clinical signs of GSS observed in affected rabbits are I'm going to say anorexia, dough-like mass in the abdomen, and decreased fecal pellets. Fecal pellets. Yeah. Treating gastric stasis syndrome may involve fluid or analgesic administration, GI prokinetics. Is that what it's called? Prokinetics, or antibiotics. Examples of prokinetics are cisapride and metoclopramide. Diarrhea can be caused by bacteria or coccidia in rabbits. Coccidia, bad. The latter is more common in young rabbits less than 6 months old. Oh, there's so precious. Yeah. Predisposing factors to bacterial diarrhea are fiber content of diet too low, sudden dietary change, blank, or use of antibiotics with predominantly gram-positive spectrum. Okay, fiber content of diet too low, sudden dietary change, stress, yeah, that makes sense, or use of antibiotics with a predominantly gram-positive spectrum. Pasteurellosis, I gotta fix that. Pasteurellosis is also called snuffles. It is a respiratory tract infection caused by Pasteurella multocida. Right? Pasteurella multocida. Oh, we got to the end of the milk bar. Mama, you look pretty happy there. Transmitted via aerosol.
direct contact, and and fomites. This pathogenic bacteria occurs in stressed rabbits. Is that right? Yes. Clinical signs of pasteurellosis include ocular and nasal discharge, snuffling, sneezing, matted fur on face and paw pads, head tilt, also known as torticollis. This is 2 L's or 1. Or wry neck, pneumonia, or abscess formation in other tissues. Go to sleep, girls. Go to sleep. Treatment for Pasteurella multocida is the appropriate antibiotic for an extended period of time? Yes. Mite infestation. Alright. Pink caniculi. Sauroptes, that's right. Sarcoptic. Sauroptes caniculi. Basically bunny mange. Or Cheletiella parasitivorax. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Baby, why don't you cry? Rest your head close to my heart, never to part, baby of mine. It's alright when you cry. Don't you mind what they say? Let those eyes sparkle and shine. Never a tear, baby of mine. If they knew someday, they'd end up loving you too. All those people who scold you, what they Mama, leave it. What they give just for the right to hold you. Your head down to your toes. You're not much, goodness knows, but you're so precious to me, sweet as can be, baby of mine. We're watching you. Go to sleep, Maia. Sauroptes caniculi causes inflammation and crusting of the external ear canal and causes rabbit to shake its head and scratch at its ears. Yes, Mama. How's it going, pretty girl? We're so so lovely. Treatment for funicular is topical insecticide suspension. Spot on. I can't remember how that's spelled. Okay, pretty long. Selamectin, which is revolution, or ivermectin subcutaneously. Chelatiella parasitovorax causes excessive skin flaking with chunks of hair falling off. The rump or dorsal body trunk. Rump or dorsal body trunk. Diagnosed by a skin scrape. They are starting to look like cats. It's so cute. C. Parasitovorax can be treated with topical insecticide. Spot on. Selamectin? Yeah, selamectin. Or ivermectin subcutaneously. Heat stroke occurs because rabbits are susceptible to overheating. Specifically, is the temp over 75, 85 degrees. Humidity is over 70%. Exposure to direct sunlight.